This is Math Unmasked for 4.8, our alternate unit. Our homework for tonight says HomeLink 2.6. So today we were working on dividing with fractions. So these two problems are both from your blue sheets that we worked on in class. So if you were in class, you should have these answers as an example that you can look at for your homework. If you are working from home today, you might want to take a look at these and also the Khan Academy videos that are linked in to help you understand that. So one of the questions, and I kind of abbreviated it here, I've only got so much board space, talked about some pizzas. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read our actual question from that. Also, if you're at home, you have these linked in the Google Classroom post, so you can go ahead and do these on paper too if you want. So it said you have 3 large pizzas. That sounds tasty. Each person gets 3/4 of a pizza. How many people can you serve? So I've got my 3 pizzas drawn on the board, and drawing a model is something we're going to want to maybe do for some of these. I can't give anybody any pizzas right now because they are not sliced. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slice them into 3/4, right? While I do that slicing, I'm thinking about what kind of math is really going on here. I'm going to do that a little bit darker so you can see it. So I am taking these pizzas, these 3 pizzas, and I am dividing them up into 3/4 chunks. But you'll notice right now I don't have 3 holes. I have renamed this 3 as fourths, right? And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 fourths here. So I'm going to take these 12 fourths and divide them into groups of 3/4. So this is one person serving, right? They get 3/4 of a pizza. This is the second person's 3/4 of a pizza. They get 3 to 4 slices. This is the third person's, and this is the fourth person's. So 12 fourths divided by 3/4 is 4. Not 4/4, because that would be worth 1, and I didn't feed one person. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4 people. My answer is 4. If I'm looking at this, I can think about this as I did 12 divided by 3. Why didn't I do anything with the bottom? Well, I can think about that too. 4 divided by 4 is 1, right? And 4 holes is the same as 4, or 4 people is what I can serve. So that is the strategy we reinforce today. If we have a problem like this, one way that we can divide these fractions is by renaming these fractions with common denominators. So I'm going to leave this as 36/10, and I'm going to rename this as 18/10, right? 5 times 2 is 10, 9 times 2 is 18. 36 divided by 18 is 2, 10 divided by 10 is 1. My answer then becomes 2. Could I have renamed this a different way? Yeah, I could have left this as 9/5. I could have renamed this as half, so half of 10 is 5, half of 36 is 18. 18 divided by 9 is 2, 5 divided by 5 is 1. My answer is 2. So on your home link for tonight, you are going to want to use this strategy. We are going to rename numbers so that they have common denominators. The book fractions both have the same numbers on the bottom. And then we can just divide across the top. You can even ignore that whole if you want to on the bottom, because we know if we have the common denominator, there's not going to be a number at the bottom of our fraction. If you're still stuck, please take a look at the Khan Academy videos. Good luck on your homework.